Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Power Recliner Battery Pack is probably one of the most essential accessories for anyone who loves the convenience of a powered recliner but wants to break free from the limitations of power cords, offering unparalleled freedom to place your furniture anywhere in the room without sacrificing functionality, ensuring that your relaxation station is always ready to recline at a moment's notice, even during power outages, making it a truly indispensable addition to your home comfort setup. Number 5. Blue Cactus 2500 mAh Furniture Battery Kit. Discover the Blue Cactus 2500 mAh Furniture Battery Kit. It includes a high-capacity rechargeable battery, power transformer, and a 47-inch power cord. This is the perfect power solution for your simple reclining furniture. Free yourself from wall outlets with this wireless battery pack. It allows you to place your power recliner anywhere, enhancing your living space flexibility and creating a cleaner look. This 2500 mAh rechargeable battery is designed for simple recliners. It offers approximately 400 recliner motions on a single charge, providing a long-lasting power source. Ensure your furniture has a 2-pin connector for compatibility. It works with popular brands like Pride Mobility, OKIN, Cheers, and Limas, making it a versatile choice. Monitor your power levels easily with the integrated LCD display. A low battery beep alert ensures you always know when it's time to recharge, keeping your comfort uninterrupted. What we like. This battery pack features a clear LCD display for easy charge monitoring. If you appreciate knowing your battery status at a glance and want a reliable power source for simple recliners, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who want uninterrupted comfort without constantly checking charge levels. What people say. The battery pack provides a clean and wireless setup for the recliner, eliminating the need for unsightly cords. It offers extended use of the recliner without needing to be plugged into a wall outlet, which is convenient for placement flexibility. The battery pack is easy to install and connect to the recliner's motor, making the transition to cordless operation straightforward. Number 4. Lavolta Rechargeable Recliner Battery Pack. Imagine placing your recliner exactly where you want it, no longer restricted by wall sockets. This rechargeable power solution offers that freedom, allowing you to enjoy your space without compromise. It's simple to set up and use as a convenient backup charger. Enjoy extended use with our updated battery, designed to power your recliner for over 120 cycles on a single charge. With typical use, this means you can go weeks without needing to recharge. Please note that furniture with added features like lights or USB ports may require more frequent charging. Recharging is effortless. Simply connect the battery pack to your recliner's existing power supply and plug it into an outlet. It automatically begins charging and reaches a full charge in about 6 hours, all without needing to disconnect it from your furniture. Tired of unsightly and potentially hazardous wires cluttering your living space? This battery pack eliminates the need for cords running from your recliner to the wall. Create a safer and tidier environment for everyone, including pets and children. This versatile rechargeable battery pack is compatible with most brands of reclining furniture, including sofas, couches, and lift chairs that use a 2-pin connection. It has undergone rigorous safety testing to ensure it meets high standards, providing peace of mind for every user. What we like. Enjoy extended use with this battery that lasts weeks between charges. If you're looking for a hassle-free solution that minimizes charging frequency and allows you to place your recliner anywhere, this is the one. It's perfect for busy individuals or families who want maximum flexibility and minimal maintenance. What people say. So far, I have been using it every day for 2 weeks and it still shows 4 out of 4 bars of power. Setup was easy, you can't plug it in the wrong way, the connectors won't fit. It is the best. Not long after getting it we had another power outage, and this device saved the day and allowed the chair to stay powered up for the duration of the power outage. Number 3. Universal Wireless Recliner Battery Pack 2500 mAh. Introducing the Universal Wireless Recliner Battery Pack. This rechargeable power solution allows you to place your electric recliner, sofa, or lift chair wherever you desire, without being tethered to a power outlet. Designed to work with most recliners featuring a 2-pin connection. Please verify your furniture's power interface type before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. Eliminate unsightly wires and enjoy a cleaner, safer, and more beautiful living space. Now you can position your furniture freely, from the window to the middle of the room. Keep track of your power levels with the easy-to-read LED indicator. It shows the remaining battery percentage, so you'll know exactly when it's time to recharge. Recharging is straightforward using your furniture's original plug, taking approximately 6 hours for a full charge. It's UL, FCC, CE, and RoHS certified for your peace of mind. Your purchase includes the battery pack, an extension cable, and comprehensive customer support. We offer a 30-day refund, a 365-day replacement, and 24/7 email assistance for any questions. What we like. This battery pack offers wide compatibility with 2-pin connectors and an easy-to-read LED indicator. If you want the freedom to place your recliner anywhere in the room without being tethered to an outlet, this is an excellent option. It's suitable for anyone looking to declutter their living space and enhance its safety and aesthetics. What people say. I charged them back in September 2025 and they are still working fine in January 2026. The setup was very easy. It does charge from 0 to 100% in a few hours, and although it's inconvenient, this battery does work well. Number 2. Universal Wireless Recliner Battery Pack Charger. Tired of cords restricting your furniture placement? This battery pack allows you to place your recliner, sofa, or lift chair anywhere you desire, free from the need for an electrical outlet. Enjoy the freedom to position your furniture exactly where you want it. Eliminate tripping hazards and keep your living space looking neat and tidy. This wireless solution prevents cords from being a danger to children or pets, creating a safer and more aesthetically pleasing environment in your home. Experience extended use with this powerful battery. A single charge can typically last for several weeks, providing ample power for over 100 cycles of your furniture. Enjoy convenience without constant recharging. Recharging is simple and takes approximately 6 hours for a full charge. It's built for reliability and safety, with certifications including UL, FCC, CE, and RoHS. Rest assured, each unit is thoroughly tested before shipping. This battery pack is designed for recliners and sofas that use a 2-pin connection. Please verify your furniture's power interface type before purchasing to ensure compatibility. It's the perfect power solution for electric recliners, sofas, and lift chairs. Your purchase includes the 2500 mAh battery, a charger, and a 40-inch extension cord. We also offer excellent customer support with a 30-day refund policy, a 365-day replacement warranty, and 24/7 email assistance for any questions you may have. What we like. Get more power and durability with this battery that lasts for weeks on a single charge. If you need a reliable, long-lasting power solution and appreciate the convenience of an included charger, this is a fantastic pick. It's designed for users who want to maximize their recliner's uptime and enjoy a truly wireless experience. What people say. The extension cord that is included 40 long accomplishes this. Everything is included in this kit to go 40 if needed. The power block fits perfectly against the back of the couch, so it's not bulging or bulky looking. My recliner has a USB function, so when I use that, the battery does deplete a little quicker, but overall has great battery life. The power block also shows the battery life percentage on the little screen. The cord has a splitter, so 2 of my recliners that are attached to each other are powered off of the one power block. These units were very easy to install. They were also easy to hide under the sofas. I'm impressed with how long the battery lasts for running the recliners. One of the sofas has both recliners being used many times per day. It lasts about 2 weeks between charges. It takes about 2 hours to charge from 12% to 100%. Number 1. Blue Cactus Company Recliner Battery Pack. Tired of being tied to an outlet? This rechargeable battery pack offers the ultimate freedom for your power reclining furniture. Enjoy flexible placement anywhere in your room. With a substantial 2500 mAh capacity, it provides a continuous and dependable power source. Keep your recliner running smoothly, even during power outages. Designed with a standard 2-pin connector, it ensures easy compatibility with many popular recliner brands. Simply connect and enjoy hassle-free operation. Monitor your power levels with ease thanks to the integrated LCD display. This smart feature helps you manage your recliner's power efficiently for uninterrupted relaxation. This portable power supply allows you to move your recliner without the hassle of cords. Experience true comfort and convenience with this essential accessory. What we like. This battery pack provides smart monitoring with its LCD display for efficient power management. If you prioritize a clean, cord-free living space and want precise control over your recliner's power, this is the ideal choice. It's perfect for those who value both aesthetics and functionality in their home. What people say. One charge lasts my family about 1.5 to 2 weeks. I have only had to charge them 4 times each in the last year and a half. I purchased a blue Cactus battery for my Flex Steel recliner. After charging to 100%, which took surprisingly little time, I plugged the battery into my chair on May 13, 2025 and it lasted until June 26, 2025, or 44 days. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.